Okay, everybody, so I just wanted to make a quick video for how to do a screen capture using GameBar. If you don't know, GameBar is an integrated program built into Windows 10. Every Windows 10 device has it. That is originally designed for capturing video while playing Xbox. That being said, you can use it to help you do screen captures for a variety of things. To get started, I went ahead and I pinned GameBar down to as an icon down here. You probably won't have that yet. So if you're trying to figure out how to access GameBar, there's a few ways you can do it. One way that you can do it is you can hit the Windows key. So it's the key in between the Function and Alt key on your keyboard. That looks exactly like the Windows logo here. So if you hit that key plus G, it will bring GameBar up for you, and you'll get kind of an overlay menu that looks like this. Or what you can do is you can go to your search bar here, and you could just type in GameBar. And usually just I typed in GA and then GameBar started. And then if you wanted to pin it to your taskbar the same way I have, there's an option here so you can pin it to your taskbar. There are a few settings for this that you're going to want to have set up to make sure that it works properly. So if you go to the start icon here and you go to settings, we're going to click on that. And then what you'll see over here is you'll see a section that says gaming, and you see it's talking about GameBar here. So we're going to click on that. And you just want to make sure that this setting right here that says record game clips, screenshots, and broadcasts using GameBar is turned on. This is probably enabled by default. I went ahead and turned it off because I have no plans of ever plugging an Xbox controller into this. But if you have one and you want to do it that way, you can. It also gives you a list of some keyboard shortcuts here that you can utilize with GameBar if you like having your kind of shortcuts memorized. Specifically, the Windows key plus G that we talked about before to open it is really handy, as is the start and stop recording and the screenshot. Ones are kind of handy to have. Second, you want to go over here to where it says captures. We're going to click on that. I went ahead and turned the background recording off. I kind of only want it to record when I explicitly tell it to, but if you want to have that on, you can. You do want to make sure that your option here to record audio is turned on. And then I went ahead and I said turn mic on by default whenever I record, so that I don't spend, 20 minutes or something like that speaking and then it doesn't pick up any of my sound because I'm not paying attention. And then nothing else you should need to change. So all your settings at this point will be good to go. Now, a couple of things about recording using GameBar is that it's not going to like recording just your desktop. So one of the disadvantages to GameBar is that it does require you to have an app open, and GameBar has to support that application. So in this case, it does work with Chrome. So I'm going to open Chrome up here, and I've just kind of got my my Schoology homepage here. So we can kind of use this as an example. And then I'm going to open up GameBar. So you can either, once again, Windows G, or if you pin it to your taskbar here, you can just click on this. And what you should see is you should see an overlay menu that looks like this. And what we're looking for is we're looking for this section here that says capture. You'll notice that it does show that my microphone is on, so you can toggle that on and off. We also can start our recording right here. So then the way this would work is we could go ahead and we could say, okay, I want to start my recording. So you hit that button and you will see that it has begun to record here. And now what you can do is you can just click anywhere on the screen. That'll make that overlay go away, and then the only thing that you will see will be this little menu up here. And you can either turn your microphone off or you can stop your recording at any time. And then from there you can kind of just do whatever it is that you want to do. So like, let's say, for example, I wanted to access one of my Schoology pages. I could just go to the appropriate class and click on that. Once you're done, you just tell it to stop the recording. Dun, dun, dun. And it should, and it might be messing up on me right now because I'm screen capturing a screen capture right now, but it should give you a little pop-up message that your recording happened. So let's see if I can find that. Yeah. And so if you go back to videos and then captures, you'll be able to find your recording. And so then you can just open that up. And there you go. From this point, what I would do is I would not just keep this video file stored on my computer. I would go ahead and upload it somewhere. So Google Drive or OneDrive, and then just go ahead and upload it onto YouTube is probably the easiest way to get these videos out. And then that's basically all there is to it. So it's pretty easy to use. It works really well. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will be happy to help. See you later, guys.